y'all. Y'all should really be here to see it. You know what I'm saying? The beast is pumping out the system. Big doors on the couch drinking ginger ale. Big pools in the
eyes to a new day, spread my wings, taking shots to the crown, cause I'm going through things. Everybody got their hands out looking for rain. Coattails getting heavy cause I'm living my dream. Trying to school these young niggas, it ain't all what it seems. I still struggle just like you, and I still hustle just like you. But it just so happened that Big Pooh doing what he love to do. Get back to my work, cause I was pinning on this piece last night that'll drive these niggas berserk. Tigolo hit me up, Pooh, it's time to murk. Throw on a pair of sweats, A1's a white shirt. Headed back to the shop, back to the spot where the hits keep coming, stack them up like bricks. You can call me the Mason and shit. Foundation has been rock solid, no replacing you dig, no replacing my nig on everything that I live. We gon' let that bitch ride till our trains collide, or we fall off track and ain't no bringing me back. And everything that go for you, the same applies to back. Cause even though the birds ain't singing and the sun ain't shining, it looks like a beautiful morning.
Each day is another chance to do the things I could've done the day before, but didn't and known I should've. So I say a prayer for the gone for gooders who left this world, and kiss my girls good morning sugar. Another sunrise, and as much as I would love to roll over on you, I cannot do it because the good Lord, I prayed to him, and he said niggas is listening now, so I better have something to say to him. So I'ma tell him how it went down, man. Doing shows for free, going out of town, man. The way I almost broke down and got a 9 to 5 cause I had more press than sound scans. This is the price that I pay for this music, and every word that I write is a testament to it. And if I had to go back, I wouldn't change a thing. Wouldn't recut it, re-edit, or change the frame, cause it would not be fair to turn my back on the struggle when that exact same hustle got me here. Told niggas from the get up, we three the hard way, and Broadway's the only place you ever throw a setup. Speechless is what you'd be if we ever met up. I survived far too much now to ever let up.
Even though the birds ain't singing